everybody. I just wanted to hop on real quick just to say I have actually gotten into a pair of jeans that I could not get into before. So here they are. I am so excited. I am so happy. This is my outfit. I don't know if you can see it from back there. But I've been very, 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 very excited that I am able to fit into these jeans. I can put my hands in my pockets. So I am just so happy that they fit. So I just wanted to share the good news with you that they fit me. And I'm gonna do a video. I'll put this in my video tomorrow. But so I'm going. I have met some friends for dinner and we had a good time. I had pizza, so these jeans might not fit me so well tomorrow, but I did good. I had salad. I just had a couple of pieces of pizza. St. Louis style pizza is a really thin crust, so it was awesome. And here you have it. Again, my jeans. Yay! I'm excited. All right, everybody. Mwah! I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, everybody. How are you today? Well, how did you like that little clip in the beginning there? I'm so happy. I cannot believe I can get into a pair of jeans that I couldn't get into for a really, really, really long time. So something's working. Today is Sunday and I have done a bunch of laundry. I've been home all day, so I've done a bunch of laundry. I made dinner for the next several days. I made a Southwest mix, which I will show you at the end of this video. I am very happy with it. It's very good and it's 0 points, except for the rice that I put in it. So I know chili powder is like 1 point, but you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like I get like almost 10 servings out of that because I use 1/4 cup of rice and I use 1/2 cup of the Southwest mix. So I get a really large serving of that. So it ends up coming out to be in no points at all. Except for the rice, and the rice for 1/2 cup is 3 points, but I use 1/4, so I'm not sure. I'll have to look at that. But anyway, I am sitting in the dark basically because it's like super dark outside. It's been rainy all weekend pretty much, and not a lot to do. Yesterday I went to lunch with a friend, to dinner actually, and that was nice. So it gave me a little outing, and that's when I tried the jeans on and was able to fit into those. So yay, I'm excited. So this week I am going to stay on track for sure. I got my water and I cut up like 3 lemons. So I will have that for my hot water in the morning, and then also to put in with my water that I take to work. I've been taking 2 things of water to work lately. I don't know how many people have to kind of juggle with their schedule and juggle with trying to be able to stay on track while you have to pack a lunch. So I have gotten sort of good with this again. So basically I have a hot bag and I have a cold bag. So my hot bag has the hot mixture and I have a little thermos that I keep in. And by keeping it in its separate little thermal, for some reason it keeps it like really nice and warm, whether it's soup or it's the Southwest mix that I'm making or whatever it is that I'm putting in that little thermos. So I take a hot bag and then I take a cold bag, which has my cottage cheese, my fruits, and my salad or whatever else that I am going to be eating for lunch at that time. And then I take a cup like this of water to work with me. See, it's kind of like thermal inside. And then I have another thermal jug that's about the same size that I take water in also. So I'm trying to drink at least those a day. So this is 32 ounces, and the I think it's 32 ounces in the other jug too. So that's giving me plenty of water for the day when I get those two drank. Plus the ice that's in it that's kind of melted in between time. So I'm getting it slowly. I'm slowly getting it. Yesterday I was not on track. I did have pizza, and what pizza that I did not eat yesterday, I did eat today. So, and you know what? It's okay. I'm sure I'll be perfectly fine. So I am looking forward to this week, since I'm getting everything all together and I'm getting completely organized. Dinners I did not do, so I will have to figure those out when I get home at nighttime. But for now, I definitely have a lot of my lunches. Breakfast, I am rotating between avocado toast and oatmeal. So one morning, if I have avocado toast, I will have oatmeal for the second morning. So I'm still experimenting, trying to play with the oatmeal. And I am using regular sugar. It's 1 point for 1 teaspoon. I use anywhere from 1 to 2 teaspoons on my oatmeal. Usually it's like 1 though, it's enough for me. I'm not putting any milk in it. I did get some brown sugar, so I am trying that with like cinnamon and brown sugar. Otherwise I do cinnamon and sugar in my oatmeal. And the cinnamon is 0 because I just use regular cinnamon powder that you get in the spice aisle. So those are pretty much my breakfast. So I'm kind of not eating eggs all the time. So I do have a couple of pork chops that I might have this week for dinner also. Put those in the air fryer when I get home because that does not take long. I have a can of green beans. I have some frozen broccoli. So those are the things that I will be doing this week for sure. At the end of the video, I am going to show you how I made it. I didn't really talk or anything during it, so I will try to add in speech when I do my editing. So other than that, I do not know much of anything. Everything's going well. I am getting transferred to a place closer to home. Like literally I will be right down the road, so that will be nice. I won't have that 25-30 minute drive every day and then that same drive home, you know, so I'm on the road like an hour. And then that way I can also, if I have an hour lunch, I can come home for lunch. I can let Buddy out, you know, take care of my little man who's sound asleep on the couch. So I hope this is not real dark. I have a ring light, but it's not working at the moment for some apparent reason. So we'll see. I got a new lamp. See my lamp back there? I got 2 lamps for $10 on Marketplace, so they match. So it's got a little night light at the bottom of it, which is kind of nice, little ambiance. So those are my find for the week. I got my laundry done. I completely stripped my bed. I washed the sheets. I washed the blankets. So everything got washed this week on that. And my uniforms are all nice and done. My scrubs, those are all clean. So I am ready to go. I do have to work tomorrow, a regular full day. So that kind of stinks for the holiday. But other than that, I think everything is good with work and just trying to balance work home, you know? Trying to come up with things to do on a broke budget. So that is kind of a challenge in itself, right? Anyway, I am going to go ahead. I'm going to stop the video here. I will see you guys tomorrow for Catch Up Monday. And I will add in my little clips that I have, the one from the beginning, and the ones that I have about the dinner that I made. All right, guys, everybody take care. I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. I hope everybody is doing well. Everyone's having a fantastic weekend for the holiday and enjoying friends and family. Take care. Mwah. Bye. Hi, everybody. I am just popping on here to kind of narrate through this little cooking that I'm doing. So, this is that Southwest mix that I keep talking about. And I know I did this once before, but I thought I would just run through it again. So, I have my onion and I make that, it's probably about a half of an onion chopped up and it gets translucent. Then I add about a teaspoon of garlic to it. You can use fresh garlic or you can use the jar like I'm using right there. And then you just want to make sure that I'm doing this over medium heat, by the way. So just keep stirring so that the garlic and the onions don't start sticking together and make sure that they don't burn. And then with stating that, I also are going to add, once that happens, you're going to add a can of roasted tomatoes. Regular, like chopped tomatoes aren't quite as good, so roasted to me does give it a little extra flavor. Now that seasoning is what I do. It is a tablespoon of chili powder and then an extra teaspoon of chili powder. A teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of oregano, and but garlic powder also, and then salt. So then I want to stir it, and then I'm gonna add that and add about a cup of corn. That I use is frozen corn, so I'm gonna mix the beans and salt added. So you're gonna take, while you're letting this sit on the stove, and stuff. So once that has cooked together and you get those or two, I'm stirring every once in a while, and then you're gonna lower your heat down. Is basically take and put the beans in, mix it, I stir 10, I would say. I once I have the black beans in there, there, see, I lowered it. So once I get ready to put the beans in, I'm going to put that down on low and then just let it all go together because the beans are basically already cooked when you're adding, you're just warming them up. And then once that happens, I am going to put a lid on it after the beans kind of get in there and, you know, get all warm. So I just wanted to reach out to everyone and to kind of narrate through because I didn't talk during the process of it. And then also I had music playing, so I had to like delete the sound because I didn't want that to be like a copyright. So that's the salt that I used. There's the, so it's cumin, garlic powder, thyme, chili powder, oregano, and the paprika. And those are all the spices, and I just put them in that little, you saw that little container. I mix it up really well, and then I spread it in instead of adding it. And then I'm, like I said, I'm going to take the cilantro and I'm going to add that in separately. And I add about a teaspoon of the cilantro in there as well. Um, that gives it, and you can use fresh cilantro by all means. It does make it taste better. So that is completely up to you and at your choice. So there you have it. That is the Southwest. You can see the steam. It's nice and hot right now. There's the cilantro. All right, everyone. Have a good night, and I will talk to you tomorrow. The beans are coming, I promise. All right, take care.